Another day, another story. America, a global economic center having many cities with a number of skyscrapers and a huge population of 33 crore. The New York stock market is the center for global economy. Host, good evening, and welcome to our program on the economy of the United States of America. Today, we will take a closer look at the economic conditions in the US and how it affects the world economy. Let's dive right in. In this video we will talk about various economic indicators of the country America, such as GDP growth, unemployment rate, inflation, etc. The United States has the largest and most technologically powerful economy in the world. With a GDP of over $22 trillion in 2021, the US accounts for around 25% of the global economy. The US economy is driven by a highly diversified and technologically advanced industrial sector, which produces everything from aircraft to pharmaceuticals to software. The country is also a leading producer of oil and natural gas, which makes it one of the largest energy consumers in the world. Today we will talk with a great economist and understand the economy of USA. Economist, the US economy has been growing at a steady pace over the past few years, with an average GDP growth rate of around 2.5%. However, the COVID-19 pandemic had a major impact on the US economy, causing a sharp contraction in the second quarter of 2020. But the economy has rebounded strongly since then, and we are now seeing a robust recovery. The unemployment rate of America is very low, giving employment to many peoples. The US has a relatively low unemployment rate of around 4.2% in 2021, which is significantly lower than the rates in many other developed countries. However, the pandemic caused a sudden spike in unemployment, which reached a high of 14.8% in April 2020. The government responded with a massive stimulus package, which helped to cushion the impact of the pandemic on the economy. Now we should talk with a small business owner. Small business owner, the pandemic was a tough time for us small business owners. Many of us had to shut down temporarily or permanently. But the government stimulus package helped us to stay afloat and keep our employees on the payroll. Now, we are slowly recovering, and I'm optimistic about the future. The inflation rate in America is going very high and it is at its peak. Narrator, the US has experienced relatively low inflation over the past few years, with an average rate of around 2%. However, the pandemic caused a sudden surge in inflation, which reached a high of 6.8% in November 2021. The Federal Reserve has responded by tightening its monetary policy, which has helped to bring inflation back under control. There is a report from a financial analyst. Financial analyst, the US stock market has been performing well over the past few years, with the S&P 500 index reaching record highs. However, the pandemic caused a sudden drop in the market, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average falling by over 30% in March 2020. But the market has since rebounded, and we are now seeing strong gains again. Conclusion. So there you have it, a brief overview of the economy of the United States. Despite the challenges posed by the pandemic, the US economy has shown remarkable resilience and is now on a path of strong recovery. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you again soon.